National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wheeler County, southeastern Gray County, Killingsworth County, eastern Donley County, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Texela to 7 miles north of Quail to 5 miles northwest of Memphis, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Wellington, Shamrock, McLean, Headley, Dodson, Moody, Lelia Lake, Dozier, Leela, Sandmerwood, and Quail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Texas: Killingsworth, Donley, Gray, and Wheeler.